Hello friends, in this video, I will share with you how to edit a photo at the San Francisco City Hall. Then this photo I took at a very special angle. In the lighting section of the lighting course, I shared in great detail. So many people, even came here to take pictures many times without knowing it. This angle is how to capture. So in order to edit this photo, I will first open this photo. Note with FineArt secret, I does not use any adjustment. And I edits raw files in Photoshop too. Well, first, I'll balance it a bit. It's a little off, I'll keep an eye on the stairs. Then make the picture straight. Then after the image is straight, I will adjust the FineArt preset. I use this preset Indoor Arts, then I will choose this Indoor Arts. Then I will restore the skin, because the skin color is pale. Then I chose to increase the flow to about 30%. I will recover about 30%. Scan in. Next, I will restore some parts, such as these lights. Then I will set the opacity to 40%, sweep on these lights. I put the layer right away, scan in. To restore the color of these lamps. Before, after. Then I have a relative color. Now I will continue to edit more, by plus contrast. Make the photo brighter. Continue to add contrast. Then this part I will look at the right hand I see. In my photo, this peak has not been touched. I add contrast or I add 0.3 stops. The reason why I shoots under the light that you see increases so much. Then I explained it very well in the lighting section. Then now continue I will create the mask and I will restore the outer part. So I wants to be in the light but it's dark outside. Then I will scan the mind 80%. Then you see that the picture itself will be more focused, and there is a light rhyme. Here I'll be about 40%, I'll sweep the stairs. Then again I will also stretch his legs to make this photo longer. Before, after, it's light inside. I will continue to merge the layer and I will make the leg longer. Continue. In this wall it is still orange. Then I does not want it to be this orange, I will remove it by subtracting color cast. And reduce the orange color. So you see after reducing the orange color, the wall is white, right? Then I will decrease slightly by about 70%. Then, after that, I will do the subtraction. Because in this skin in this door, I doesn't want it to be affected much. I will restore it. So this part I want to influence a part, I just leave it on that part. And these lamps I also restores. Then you see before, after. I have a clearer picture. Then I will whiten the skin. By being skin, white skin. In fact, these photos are very far away. I won't see the details of the skin. Next, I will adjust the red color of the dress. I add color cast and I add red. Then I reset the brush, set it to 100% and subtract it from the skin. Then you can smooth the skin, but in this photo you see it's pretty far away. I can't see it either. Then next to make this image more prominent, Sam will choose to add contrast. Now I will scan in some parts of the photo. These are the sections that I will scan. You see, when I scan it, it turns on more. Then the part I scan that I feel is not good, I leave it out. Then continue, I will give it plus detail. With this detail addition, I also continue that I will scan the parts where I want the detail to stand out. The reliefs. These paintings are lights. Well, I want it to stand out too. I will scan in. So is the dress. Then I can also add all the details on this photo. By adding detail. You think it's much sharper, right? Here before, after. Then I will reduce it by about 50%. Then you see this photo, it's already very impressive. Group it. Before, after. Then now I can block some more. For example, I am dodge. Dodge on these reliefs. Then I will highlight the details of this relief. Then there are some parts, I will want to darken it, now I will darken it. For example, the pillar here is a bit bright. I will darken it a bit. Do you see? The dress, I will darken it too, right here. Here I am going to turn it on. Here you see before. After. This part is just a supplement. Then you cannot do it, it is still beautiful. Then the photo I saw with just a few edits. Then I got a very impressive photo. Before, after. Right here, we done. However, if you like, depending on the season, I can add effects. For example, I can add snow. In this photo. I has a lot of effects here. Then when you add snow, you'll see that this picture will look like. Fairy tales are like. Beauty and the Beast. Stay in a romantic atmosphere, the castle has snowfall. Do you see? Before, after. Then it's also very good. This is a scene from the movie. Then I can also add effects like this. Or I add roses. Flower effect, I choose flowers, falling petals. I can add 2 or 3 of them. Then I will choose brush color. I chose the color of the dress so that I can paint the flower. I'll paint these flowers the same color as the dress. I can do that. I continue to add more flowers. Then there are many options for you. There are effects. Normally, I adjust here, but you can still add a lot of effects here. There are many tools for me to add effects. More snow, more rain. Depending on the appropriate context, I can create more impressive photos. With the fact that I add these effects. I can choose through lighten. Here you see, it's also very good. These are very cool effects. Snow in the castle, very fairy tale, very romantic.